ngatho cia mwanya ni undu wa gucoka na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Kenyans ni marakorirwo makinyitanira na muini Kareh uria uracakaya gikuo gia kahii gake Joseph Mwandulo. Muthenya wa ira Kareh na family ni marakorirwo makiorganize a memorial service kuria Sitam Nairobi kana Sitam Karen kuria arutwo a cukuru uyu kahuni gaka karatho magirasha bakari hai marakorirwo makiattend na mararuta some moving tributes. The students marakorirwo makiririkana late Kareh son ta mwanake mukeni urendete kuona andu hingo ciothe mari na gikeno. Na these were some of the students aria maragikorwo makiattend this memorial service na kuririkana Joseph Mwandulo na njira ya mwanya muno. On the other hand, Kareh ni arakorirwo akiruta tribute yake ya mwanya muno kuria aragitaririe thabari yake na kahuni gaka, onake akiuga ati ni kahuni karendete kuona hingo ciothe andu mari akenu. Na also father wa kahii gaka kana dad to Kareh son ni arakorirwo akiyumiria na aragikorwo akiruta ndumiriri yake ya macakaya ya mwanya muno.
Very friendly, very charming. He was very, very active in sports. One thing I will not forget about Joe for me is I was not that active in sports. Mariah used to play a lot of football, he used to knock me down. Joe used to play basketball. I played basketball in high school, and I was really surprised when he had. I was surprised by the fact that he enjoyed basketball more than football, and I would say probably it's his blood.